this is what we can review, and I'm sorry I did not review anything, but this is my Eldrago. It's Eldrago set. It's Eldrago here. There, you see the tips, buttons, and the wheel there, and wheel. And you have a launcher grip, free launcher grip, and there. And let's open it. I bought this in Just Review in this Philippines. There we have a free there, and this is my first unboxing movie. And here it is. Then I'm gonna just get the launcher grips, but I did not need this one, and especially stickers. Just want it. Just open it. There's here, and I got this one. It's a big review of toys. And I'm gonna put it there. And let's open it. There, Eldrago. And this Beyblade is awesome. I got and this is only 1,000 pesos. Oops, looks I lost the piece here. Just picked. I'm not sure if I was gonna use this in the tournament, because in tournament you cannot use left stick, just like this. And I have another review just like this, but it is versus, and it's so hard to remove many pieces. I just missed to review only Beyblades. Oh my god. $100, guys. I almost got it. Yes. There's a free face. There. And I was gonna show you the face. Yep. Oops. Just a little bit there. Here, red. There. Tips. And I'm gonna just update this. Just rewind it to this is my first time of a Drago set. And next, and here, this is the red Eldrago. I'm gonna just make the blue Eldrago. Look, there. I'm gonna choose. It's so easy to this is not fitting. Looks like I did it, but it's okay. Here is the blue Eldrago. Last is the oops, I just forget this. But it's this is only 2 Beyblades. And let's find this. It is white. And let's open this. Now we're gonna review tomorrow the fight of this dragon. Put this in here. Oh, I can see the inside of that. This is, and let's open this. The stickers. There. And the stickers of it. Here's stickers. And this is my 2 Eldrago review. Good luck on to see this video on /Miguel Abelgasta. There, and you can see this video and my other video Beyblades, and especially my tournament. I wish you are watching this one.